Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, we have a Chevy C10 cab in here. I'm not quite sure what year it is because I haven't seen the front end yet. We just have the cab. Got a whole lot of repairs going on this thing. I was going to do a video on it as soon as it arrived, but I missed the chance and it's already deep into the middle of this project here. So what I'm going to do is turn this into a door review because we were sent some Cobra King doors from KMS Tools in Kelowna, and they're made in Taiwan. So if you're considering buying doors to do your Chevy that are Cobra King doors, you might want to change your mind because they do not fit nicely at all. We've only tried the driver's door, have not got to the passenger door. But yeah, we're definitely going to have to work with these. They are shaped very oddly. They stick out a lot. We had a lot of damage to repair on this cab. It was all caved in behind here, so this truck's definitely had a couple of hits. It's been hitting the driver's side and the passenger side. And everything had to be cut out. It took a lot of tools to do all this. Sorry, wasn't prepared. So, some floor repairs going on. Got a bunch of metal welded in. It was rotted all out through here. The inner rocker and outer rocker were both gone and destroyed. The cab corner was rotted out, and so was the inside cab corner. So this is some extra sheet metal that we had that's been bent and kind of fabbed to fit the inner shell because you can't buy those anymore. Nobody carries those at all. So we have new cab corners, new rockers, and usually these rockers need stretching of some kind because they don't fit properly, and so it is a lot of work. We'll go over to the other side. And this thing did take, if I can get it, it took a hit right here and caved the cab in. It looked kind of minor, like we could, repair it and you're not going to see it because it's behind the fender. But then you get on the inside and there's a huge, big tweak along here. And in the corner, all of this has been pushed upwards through out here where that little line is all caved. It's all caved inside that way. And then you got a big hump here. So we definitely have to push all that down and bring this back out. And of course, this rocker might as well get done too because you can see rust starting and guaranteed it's going to be everywhere. So that side will be next. But at least this door is not caved in here. Why are we repairing this old rusty cab? Well, because here, where we are, finding clean cabs that don't have rotted rockers and cab corners, it's getting kind of tough to find. So you might as well just fix it and learn how to fix it. I have probably 15 of these things, so I guess we're just going to keep fixing cabs for a while. This is kind of a new level of metal work that I have seen on these cabs. Haven't had to do this much on a Chevy cab yet. The 49 Ford cab was way worse than this. Most of the floor was gone, so we went with a whole new floor on that one. But at least we were using better quality doors. We were using LMC doors on that one. They all fit really nicely. So we're trying out another product. This customer already had purchased these, so we're going to use them and try and save him money. I don't know if it's going to work because there's so much labor involved in making them fit. But we'll get through it and see how it goes and keep you updated. We had to get kind of creative with how to jack this thing up and support it because so many different spots under the cab were not structurally sound to hold it up. So used whatever we had, blocks and jack stands, tables and everything to get this thing stable, just to make it safe. There's a lot of blocks and stands under there. But we didn't have much support when we got started. By the time it's done, it'll be fine. The rest of this truck should be coming in the shop as soon as this cab is ready. The chassis is already done. It's got a little small block in it with a Turbo 400 and all Beltec lowering kit in it. It's a neat little chassis setup. So I'll be really excited. This truck is going in Hugger Orange. The owner was going to go with a red, but as soon as he mentioned orange, we talked him into doing Hugger Orange because haven't got to do an orange one yet. That's very exciting. We're doing a Hugger Orange Chevy C10, lowered with a small block. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.